I noticed early 2000 that I was not myself anymore. I just started hurting for no reason at all. The bottoms of my feet were like pins and needles. I had a hard time balancing when I got out of bed, or if I got up too fast. I started having headaches and I didn't know what was going on. I would explain this to the doctors and they didn't know what was causing it. We would do blood work and nothing showed up. Each week, the pain got worse and worse until I was finally bedridden, sometimes 1 and 2 weeks at a time. So then in 2009, I went to a doctor in Houston and was diagnosed with Lyme's disease and with fibromyalgia. I thought, okay, I have all the answers. Now I can get some help. Well, many of the doctors, when I went in to see them and they had read that I had fibromyalgia, they just told me straight to my face, we do not treat fibromyalgia patients. And this went on for years, and I was shifted around from one doctor to another. I went to a rheumatologist who sent me to an anesthesiologist, to an endocrinologist, to a neurologist, all types of therapy, physical therapy, aquatherapy, and nothing was helping me. Well, as I'm laying in bed, I get my laptop out and I just start searching for a doctor who treats chronic pain. Maybe there's somebody out there. And I came across Envita Medical Center. I called Envita and I got voicemail and I left a message and I thought, well, that's going to be the end of that. But the next day I received a phone call. We visited on the phone and they asked me about my symptoms, what was going on, and said they felt like they could help me. But I met with Dr. Warren and he asked me questions about what was going on with me, about my symptoms, how long have I had the symptoms, the different doctors I'd been to, what we have done in the past. And he explained to me about Lyme's disease, what Lyme's disease was, how do you get Lyme's disease, the process that they go through to get rid of it through the IVs. He just made me feel so great that I was finally in the right place and that they were going to help me. Every staff member, from the doctors, the nurses, whoever it might be, my caregivers, coordinators, everyone knew my name and greeted me every morning. And I said, this place is amazing. The staff are so comforting and work with you. And my nurse, Amanda, was fabulous. She would kneel down in front of me and we would talk about my pain. And the whole 3 months I was here, it was a joy to be here. I remember being in pain 24/7 when I got here. And I'm taking my pain meds that I came here with. And then all of a sudden I'm thinking, I haven't had a pain pill today. I'm like, well, that's something new. And that's when I realized something is working. This is unbelievable. If you have any problems that you think relate to what I've described, or any chronic pain that you just cannot find out what's going on, this is a place you need to be, and you'll just praise God that He led you here.